Using Fifth Third Cardless ATM provides a convenient way to access cash without needing your physical debit card. Here's how you can use it. Set up Cardless ATM access. Before using the Cardless ATM feature, you will need to set it up in the Fifth Third mobile banking app. Log into your account, navigate to the ATM access code section, and follow the prompts to generate a one-time access code. Find the Cardless ATM. Locate the Fifth Third Cardless ATM near you. These ATMs are typically identified with signage indicating their compatibility with the Cardless ATM feature. Initiate transaction. Approach the Cardless ATM and select the option for cardless transactions on the ATM screen. Enter access code. When prompted, enter the one-time access code that you generated through the mobile banking app. This code is typically valid for a limited time period. Authenticate. Depending on the ATM security measures, you may need to provide additional verification, such as your PIN or biometric authentication. Complete transaction. Once your identity is verified and the access code is entered, follow the prompts on the screen to select your desired transaction and complete the transaction as you would with a traditional ATM withdrawal. Collect receipt and cash. After completing the transaction, collect your cash from the ATM and, if desired, request a receipt for your records.